Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Tabu Wig from the Wille Perucci collection. This is a heat-resistant synthetic fibre wig with a beautiful curl pattern. It comes in a whole variety of different colours. You've got a beautiful sort of beachy wave that is a nice long style. So I'm just going to flip this wig inside out so that you can see the cap construction here. So in this cap you have a little lace front at the front to give the appearance that the hair is growing straight out of your scalp. You also have a little monofilament crown section, again so you can see through to the scalp there. Then we have a full wefted cap, which is great because it's nice and stretchy and super comfortable and the air can flow all around. We've got little velcro adjuster tabs on the back here so it can fit your head perfectly, as well as the little metal stays in the ear tab here so that you can mould the cap to fit your head perfectly. So I've popped on a little wig cap so I can show you what the Tabu wig looks like on. So I'm just going to pop her on there and then using the little ear tabs, adjust it so they're sitting in my temples and make sure that hairline is about 4 fingers away from my eyebrow. So as you can see, this is a lovely style that's quite long with the beautiful beachy waves there. You've got 24 centimetres of length at the front and about 40 centimetres of length overall. This is in the colour Champagne Rooted, which is a lovely multi-dimensional natural blonde colour, but this style does come in a whole variety of fun colours. So I've got a couple other ones to let you see. So this is the really fun colour Ice Blue, so it is a lovely blue colour, something a little bit different. And the final shade I have to show you is a Rose Blonde Rooted, so it's a lovely light blonde with that natural shaded root there, with this really fun layer of pink underneath. I'm going to do a little spin around so that you can see what the Tabu wig looks like from every angle. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Wille Tabu wig. It is this lovely heat-resistant synthetic wig with the beautiful beachy waves that comes in so many fun colours that are all available at Judy Plum Wigs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow Judy Plum across all social medias, and you can find me on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Don't forget to check out the other wig review videos that we've been making on the Judy Plum YouTube channel. If you want any more information about any of the styles, head on over to the Judy Plum website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews.